Hello, you guys. How are you? Um, I didn't realize that on Thursday and Friday this week is the Easter holiday, so we are not going to have classes those days. I'm going just to upload this class and send you the activities, and that's it for this week. And from now on, the following week, we will start using the new platform. We will see. I think we're gonna have fun. We have been trying it and it's pretty funny actually. It's nice. Bien. Let's start with most of the common mistakes I could see while I was marking your homework. And this is something that I saw repeatedly. A ver. As regards prepositions, remember that it's on the farm or on a farm and on the beach. Always is with on. Then it's on for the means of transportations except for car. It's in a car, on the bus, on the train, on a boat, on a plane. Actually, it's also get into the car or get in the car, but you use get on or get off the plane, get on the bus, get off the bus. You see? So keep this in mind because I'm pretty sure that this one, or probably this one, will appear in the first certificate examination. Then, as regards reported speech, some of the most common mistakes I could observe were the following. When you have a WH question, what I call WH question, it's an actual question, it's not the yes-no question, yes? It's the WH question. You have to report it as the question word, the subject, and the verb reported. Keep in mind this, don't change this. It's very common to see that you invert this part. Be careful here. I will repeat. Something very simple like where does she live? How can you report this? Where does she live? First, I identify the tense, which is the simple present, and then I have to put it in the past, right? A ver ahí. Ahí. So you say, he asked me where, the interrogative word, sujeto, subject, she, and the reported verb, lived. Where she lived. And curiously, the most common mistake is here. Something very simple like, what is it? What is it? So she asked me what, interrogative word, subject, reported verb, what it was. You see, what it was. This is the correct order I should see. Be careful with these silly mistakes because most of you committed that. Then, another thing, I will clean this board quickly and I will explain. When you have to report this, that, these, those, remember, when they are alone, when they are alone, either in the subject or in the object position, they are reported like it or like they or them. It depends if it is the subject position or the object position. And I will give you examples. If you say, for instance, this is cool, or if you say, I want some of those. So, how can you report that? This is cool. She told me that. Instead of this, I would say it. It was cool. I want some of those. She told me that she, y pasó esto, wanted some of them. Yes? Also the object position, I cannot say they because I have a subject, so I have to use the object. You see? But when these pronouns are followed by a noun, no se ve ahí? Sí. Like, for instance, when it says, this carpet is nice. So she told me that, and this carpet, this turns into the. The carpet was nice. And I report the sentence. All of them, these, that, these, and those, when they are followed by a noun, are reported like the article, the. Okay? Don't forget that. And the last thing, but not least, is that when you have, for example, if you have, I want to buy, blah, 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 something. You see this and you think, or some of you think that you have to report both verbs. No, it's not the case. You have to report the main verb. The other one remains the same. So, I want to buy a new souvenir. She told me that she wanted, see? She wanted to buy blah, 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 blah. So you change the main verb, not the other ones, okay? Keep that in mind. It's very, very important that you remember this. Also, when you have modal verbs, could, may, might, will, would, have to, must. After these modal verbs, always infinitive verb. Always infinitive verb. Okay. So far, these were the most common mistakes I could see. Very good job, everybody, and thank you for sending me all the homework. In the following video, I will explain something about essays and what you will have to do for the following class.